Hey guys, it's FUEGO. Whoa! In today's video, I am going to be doing a epic minigames play. If y'all want to see a by any chance ROBLOX video, just comment down below, and I'll make that possible. Whoa! So how I'm gonna make that possible is if you guys want to see that video, I'll start role playing. I'm playing like stuff like. And I just died because I hate this round. But let me go AFK really quick, so I'm not playing the game right now. Let me show you guys. Let me hop on over here. Show you guys what I mean. Let's go down here. I want to be kind of by myself and explain. So that's why I'm trying to go somewhere out of like the obvious. Okay, so just literally just let me outside where people are, but. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing, sorry, I'm not feeling the best today, a epic minigames play for 15 minutes, which is 15 minutes is my max, so, but, let me know down below, because I might be making a ROBLOX video tomorrow. FUEGO never lets you down, but, basically, yeah, I'm going to be doing that tomorrow. Let me know if you are a 13 plus account or a 13B account. I'm a 13 plus account. I can literally say numbers like 18. There you go. I can say stuff like that. It's random. People are going to wonder what I'm talking about. Like, hey, FUEGO, what are you talking about? I just missed another round, but that's okay because we're going to spectate some people for this round. Well, no, let's finish first. Let's finish. Wait, literally, is that me? Alright, but like, comment, and subscribe. I am new to this whole entire YouTube progress thingy. But yeah. And let me just explain why my fit is like this. My whole entire outfit and stuff. I saved my Robux for some reason. I don't like spending my Robux on anything. So I keep my outfit simple and free. Sometimes I might buy something to treat me up. Like maybe I'll buy like a little pack on ROBLOX or something. But I try to save my Robux and not spend it on clothes, catalog clothes that you can get basically anywhere. I try to keep everything. I try to keep everything nice. So I don't really care what people say. All you have to do is know that you have something. Like don't listen to nobody else, basically. I do have Bloxburg, which is how I can make that type of video happen. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing I'm playing this round with this on whatever myself. Let's go. So as y'all can see me, I'm like literally dodging every bad thing from happening. Anyways, what should I do next on my channel? Comment down below. Please some ideas. Oop! Oh no. Oh, I feel so bad at this because like my camera looks so retarded right now. But how am I doing, guys? Am I doing bad? I know I got blowed up by a bomb, but that's okay. That's gonna happen sometimes. Well, this is actually my first time getting blowed up by a bomb, so don't come, sweet, don't come. This is my first time getting blowed up by a bomb. Yeah. Ooh, I'm so bad at this game. Like literally. Look at all the people that have finished this stuff. I'm literally the last person. FUEGO. Whoa. Wow. Okay. But, still, let me know. I'm gonna change my default outfit. Don't worry about it. Just like this. You know what I'm saying? When I get into Roblox, I'm just my default outfit or all my little things, but you have to have BloxLux for this. This is yay, okay? This is totally yay. But I got exposed for my level. I got exposed. Cause I literally just faced level 2. Okay, here's a little default background of all my level 2. I don't play this game, which is why I'm so bad at it, and why I hate this game, just because I'm so bad at it. Anyways, let's go into our shop, because we have 100 coins yet. So y'all could say, playing this game for the first time. Everything cost. Okay, let's just hop on these bad boys. Let's hop on this train. Let's hop on some of them. Make sure none of them explode on us, you know what I'm saying? Because if you hop on them, they won't explode on you. Like, you for sure won't get exploded on, so I stay on them. You know, some people don't know that it's a hack you can do, and you won't get blown up. But, if you don't got another little hack, yeek. But that's my hack. Stay on them, even if they're about to blow up, because that's where you definitely won't get blown up. Just a couple of hacks. You'll be looking like a brownie after, but you won't get blown up. Oh well. That was the release. Ah! Oh, I almost got blown up because I accidentally, like, somehow got myself off of it. And I was just like, oh well. You see, this is how you win this type of stuff. You just. What? Honestly, FUEGO won't nowhere. I still got the same amount of wins. Well, only 2 wins. But why? How did that happen? How, baby? How did that happen? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I'm so confused though. How did that even happen? I was literally at 9. Everybody else was almost dead. It was okay. See, there's people on our server. I'm gonna stay AFK. Or what people think AFK. Oh, I just got killed. Let me stop laughing and stuff like that. Ooh, that's love. Ooh, GG. Ooh, GG. That's love. Ooh, GG. Oh my God, we're twitching. We're matchies. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, go. Yes, go. I said yes, car, you slave, you did Americans. This is actually very easy, but I never say that because you know, so Cap, like, she just found out that it was easy. When you do stuff like that, you could die, see? She just might not die, but hey, that's karma. Say something easy, you lie. I love her outfit, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see. I can't see what's her username, but when I can't say she's gonna die or anything, because she's not dying. That's what's up to all people. That's saying, ooh, ooh. So, who is her name? I'm gonna go back to space. Tiger Cat. So, we're gonna go ahead and friend request her. Oh, Horse Love sent me. I'm gonna accept. Period. We're in now, and we're gonna go Tiger Cats. We're gonna go Tiger Cats, send friend request. Like I said, so, She would never answer a friend request by someone like me. But, oh yeah, I'm here. Alright. Oh, what did she say? First of all, I love this same. SR, caps. Anyway, sorry. But same old trickity. I feel like the one with the most people when it's gonna literally just dissolve, honestly. Ain't put no pressure on nobody to move. But I'm just saying, how come when you why does she look so skinny? I should have knew I wasn't gonna make it. I should have knew that. I'm gonna say tiger cats. Wait, no, I'm gonna put it in private. Can you accept I love your outfit? I'm gonna say, can you accept I love your outfit? It's just a heart. I really want her to push the little accept button. She might not do it because I'm leaving. She said, okay. Oh my gosh, she just ignored me. I'm gonna put the dots. I could put 3 dots because hopefully I don't start out with the outbreak because that's really bad because I don't want to get affected and I don't want to infect nobody. Don't come over here with me because you want to know it. I don't want to get affected at all. Ooh, I am a affect. Ooh, I started off as an affection. Wow. You know what? That's a good thing because if you start off as an affection and you affect everybody. Let's see. Who is you trying to get? I got you, boy. If you don't get him, if you somehow get him. Alright. Once I'm giving everybody the outbreak, let's just go up on every ladder. Maybe we'll find the ladder. Cause I'm a little competitive. Let's just keep on walking around and who we can outbreak next. Hey, everyone was talking about horse love. And FUEGO. I'll bring it up now. GG horse love and FUEGO. That's it. GG horse love and FUEGO. I was trying to be no type of mean person. Nothing like that. You know what? Fudge you. And I'm gonna revoke. Cause let me get up here first. Let's get up here. I'm up here, yeah. Ah! Ah! Get up here. Get up here. Ah! Get up here. Ah, get up here. Get up here. What's up here? I've hit it people 2 times. Yeah. I'm up here. Oh! I was up here 8 times, but I gotta be up here at least 20 times. Guys, this is about to end. My max of time is about to start. Woo! My max of time is about to start, y'all, but my max time is about to start. So if it stops, yeah, I told y'all I have a max time. Unfortunately, it was a little sad, but I have a max time. Bye bye, guys. Adios, amigos. Bye bye. FUEGO, man.